Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike, the Big Rock Railway. Another quick update. Yeah, overnight I got busy a little bit today. I did the cardboard. So now I have my street laid out. So I showed you that I made templates with newspaper and found some large cardboard and traced the templates out and then cut them out and glued them on the layout. So this open area here, I'll be laying some plaster. Pink Panther's still peeking out there. But yeah, I mean, I wanted to get really flat cardboard so that you couldn't see the ridges too much. And yeah, over here, this big line, it won't even be noticeable once I get the turf put on there. But I think it's coming along. I look forward to doing the plaster, because right after that, I'll be painting. Yay! So this is the final outcome after laying the cardboard. And I'll do a video on the plastering. I'll show you guys how I do it. I think it's going to look great. If you see one of my other videos, my old layout, which is pretty much identical to this, I had the plaster road. So if you check out that video, you'll see what it will look like, or it could possibly look like. But yeah, that's on here too. So yeah, check out that video, and you'll be able to see what it will look like. This one's quite different, a lot lighter, and it's been easier to put together, and cheaper too. This has cost me pretty much nothing. I've gotten these materials from garbage and sites and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been cheap for me. And that's what I want to show everybody here, is how you can build a model railroad cheap and easy with tips from Big Rock Railway. All my track was glued down with just white glue, and use these pins, foam pins, foam nails they call them, and yeah, you just find your hole once you've glued, and then put that in, hold the track down until glued. And if you're just using white glue, then half hour later it's good to go. So yeah, this was layout update number 9. Yesterday when I posted the update, I thought it was number 7, but I was wrong. It was number 8. So here's update number 9, and yeah, look forward to update number 10. Keep watching the videos, folks. Like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody coming out. You guys are contributing to a great model railroading experience. And with my channel here, you'll be able to see the finished outcome of this layout. And of course, we've got this line here. It goes up the back. And then stops here. Oh, but why? We don't want it to stop there. No, we don't. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing here. Hang on a sec. Don't move. can't find the piece that I had. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I'll be continuing this line. Across the wall. Into the corner for a double helix. Across the wall again. And yeah, it's going to have a double helix in the corner here so it can get up a little bit higher. Because I want a bridge that I want to walk under right here. And then it's going to come across here. And then up to the top of my TV stand. So I look forward to future endeavors here with Big Rock Railway. And I hope you all enjoyed update number 9. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay young, have fun. This is Big Rock Railway signing off. Bye.